one more in your notepad for the analyzing graphs of polynomial functions because I think you need that to practice. So here we go. What's the first thing I do? That's right, put the function in your calculator. Okay, my y equals, I'm going to put in x to the fifth. By the way, how many zeros do I have for this polynomial? Wonderful. X to the fifth minus 5x raised to the third plus 4x. I'm going to graph that sucker, and I get this. Now, hopefully, I'll get some easy x-intercepts here where my y values equal 0, right? My chart, go to second graph, and lo and behold, this problem was nice to me. It gave me my 5 zeros. You see them? You see them? So my x-intercepts. X equals -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. I don't care. Okay, now, next thing we need is our relative max. This is, I want to make sure that you guys understand analyzing graphs. This was on your note packet from yesterday's notes. Okay, so I need, how many maxes do I have? 2 of them. So I got to find 2 of them. So second trace, go to max, enter, left bound, get to the left of that vertex, hit enter, right bound, hit enter, and enter again. It tells me the vertex of that maximum, which is -1.64, comma, 3.63, right? If I'm off, tell me. I can't see. I'm old and feeble. And now I need the other max. Second trace, another max, enter, left bound, get to the left of that vertex, enter, to the right of the vertex, enter, hit enter again. The other max is at 0.54, comma, 1.42. Okay, the minimums. Second trace, minimum, enter, left bound, enter, right bound, enter, enter again, and -0.54, comma, -1.42. Hey, what do you think the next minimum point is going to be? Very good. 10 million points for James. All right, let's draw this sucker. X-intercepts. X equals -2. X equals -1. X equals 0. X equals 1. X equals 2. My 2 maximum turning points. -1.64, up 3.5. Other maximum turning point, 1/2, 1.5. Minimum turning point, -1/2, -1.5, and about 1 2/3, and -3.5. Okay, are you ready? let's see, this is coming in from negative infinity. Okay, so negative infinity goes through my first x-intercept. It's my max turning point, turns, goes through my second x-intercept. It's my minimum turning point, turns, goes through my third x-intercept, hits my max turning point, turns, goes through the other x-intercept, then hits the minimum turning point, turns, and then goes through the last x-intercept. That's not too bad. Think you guys can do that on the quiz tomorrow? Huh? Okay, so we're not there yet. So let's talk about increasing, decreasing. Let's see, my graph is going to increase. Then it turns, decreases. Then it increases, turns, decreases. Then it turns and increases, and increases. Okay, we're just looking at the x-axis, right? So this is negative infinity here, positive infinity here. Okay, so we're going to start. Now this is just increasing. We're going to start at negative infinity on the x-axis. And let's see, it's going to stop increasing at the maximum turning point. And the x value for the maximum turning point is negative 1.64. Okay. Then it starts increasing again when at the x value of my minimum. The x value of this minimum is negative 0.54. And then it keeps increasing to the x value of this maximum, which is 0.54. Whenever you have numbers, you're going to close those. Okay, then it starts increasing at the x value of this minimum, so 1.64. And then it's going to just keep going until infinity. And if you want to put the little u's there, go ahead. So there's my increases. Decreases. Here's a decrease from there to there. Here's a decrease from there to there. Okay, decreasing. Okay, starts decreasing at the x value of this maximum. So that's negative 0.54. And it's going to decrease to the x value of this minimum. Oops, I screwed up. I screwed up already. See? Yeah, this should be negative 1.64. Okay. I'm starting at the x value of my maximum, negative 1.64. Okay, and then I decrease to the x value of my minimum. That's the negative 0.54. Then it starts decreasing again at the x value of this maximum, which is 0.54. And then it stops decreasing at the x value of this minimum, which is 1.64. So this is actually a really detailed, mind-blowing question. What? Hey, speaking of what's on the test tomorrow, guess what else is on the test tomorrow? And behavior. Okay? The f of x approaches blank as x approaches what? Good. The f of x approaches blank as x approaches. Okay, so let's do this. As x goes to negative infinity, what happens to the y value of my graph? Good. As x goes to the right, positive infinity, what happens? Good. All right, are we good with analyzing graphs of polynomials?